So today I want to show you just how easy it is to clean your bathroom shower with your Norwex Mop, the bathroom cleaner, and a couple of the Norwex cloths. So what I do is I begin with my bathroom cleaner from Norwex, and of course I have it diluted in my Forever Bottle of sprayer. This bottle is also from Norwex. I love this bottle. It's so handy. And it just makes diluting my bathroom cleaner super simple. But I have my mop here, and the pad on my mop is already dampened, so it's ready to go. And then of course I have a couple of Norwex cloths here. A lot of times I use an Enviro cloth. Today I just happen to have my little counter cloths here. So I'll probably use one with my bathroom cleaner to kind of scrub some of the small surfaces in my shower, and then I'll use a dry one to kind of go behind and dry once my shower is cleaned and washed out. That's another thing that I wanted to tell you that I do. I love using the Norwex towels, the body towels, to dry my shower down each day. So I don't like to leave water in my shower because it creates mold and all kinds of stuff. And so in order to just keep my shower clean each day, I take a Norwex Body Towel. It's a large towel, and I just dry my shower out, and that keeps my shower clean throughout the week. And then I clean my shower once a week with my mop and my bathroom cleaner and my cloths. So I hope this tutorial is helpful, and now I'm going to clean my shower. So today I'm going to show you in real time how I clean my bathroom. So as you can see, I have a handheld shower sprayer, and I really love a handheld shower sprayer because you are able to spray all of the walls of your shower really well, and you don't have to use a bucket or any additional object in order to get water on your walls. So I do recommend, if you do not have a handheld shower sprayer, that you purchase one of those. So I spray all of my walls down with water, and then from there I spray all the walls and the bathroom floor with the cleaner, and then I begin using my Norwex mop. Now I do dampen my mop. I usually just take the mop head or the mop pad, and I run some water at the bathroom sink, and I just dampen that mop pad so that it is ready to go. And then I begin by cleaning my bathroom floor, and then I clean the walls of my shower. And as you can see, this process does take a little bit of time, but it is time efficient as far as cleaning your shower. The mop makes it so much easier. You're not having to, do a lot of bending. I mean, you are having to bend a little bit, but it really does save your back using the mop. So if you have any sort of back problems or anything like that, the Norwex mop is very handy to just help you to be able to do a good job on cleaning your shower. Now, as you can see right now, I am cleaning my glass shelves, and I'm using a counter cloth, but you could use an Enviro cloth for this, just some type of cloth, and I do have bathroom cleaner that I sprayed on those shelves. Now I'm just cleaning the handle there that we touch. Oftentimes that's a high touch surface in the bathroom, so I want to make sure that I clean that really well, get any dust off of the top of the handheld shower sprayer. And then from there, I am going to take my handheld shower sprayer, and I'm going to rinse everything out. And sometimes I do let my bathroom cleaner just kind of sit in the shower for a few minutes, like I may, comb out my hair or something. Oftentimes I will clean the shower like when I get out of the shower. So, I may like comb my hair out and then go back and rinse the bathroom shower down, and that just lets the cleaner kind of sit there and work some of its magic, so to speak. Also, sometimes when I clean my shower, I do wear flip-flops just in case I need to stand in my shower. I'll just protect my feet so that I don't get the bathroom cleaner directly on my skin. And I do like to wear gloves when I'm cleaning, even though Norwex is, a very environmentally friendly product. I still like to protect my skin when I'm using the bathroom cleaner and when I'm using the products. So, okay, now I am rinsing out my mop pad. I want to make sure that I get all of the cleaner out of that, and you know, just basically you don't want to leave a bunch of cleaner in your mop pad. From here, I typically squeeze it out, and usually I only use my mop pad one time after cleaning the shower, and then I will wash it in the washing machine so that I will have it fresh for the next time around. Now, I do have several different mop pads that I use. The one that you just saw is just the standard wet mop pad, but I also have a tile mop pad that I use at times, and it has a little bit of a scratchy surface on it. It doesn't scratch the tile, but it just kind of gets into some of the grooves of the tile and cleans some of those hard to get places a little bit easier. So I spray everything down again with my handheld shower sprayer after I have rinsed out the pad. And then now you can see that I'm using the body towel to dry the shower. And I dry my shower every time I take a shower, whether I'm cleaning the shower or not. So I clean my shower once a week, and then every time I take a shower, I take my body towel and I wipe down the shower to get all of the water out of the shower, because this helps mold and bacteria to stay out of my shower as much as possible. Now, one thing that I have started doing is when I clean my shower, I clean my shower on one day, and then the rest of the bathroom surfaces I clean on another day. And I have 2 bathrooms, so it does get very time consuming cleaning those bathrooms, and sometimes I get bogged down with cleaning them. So I just decided, hey, I'm going to clean my shower on one day, and then I'm going to clean the other bathroom surfaces for the other 2 bathrooms, or for the 2 bathrooms on another day. And that just works out really, really well for me. I do have a bathtub in my other bathroom, so I clean that also with my bathroom cleaner. And usually I don't use my mop in the bathtub, but hey, you could if you wanted to. And I do have another video where I cleaned my bathrooms, and you can watch me actually clean one of my bathrooms from top to bottom. So you can find that video on my YouTube channel and watch me follow all the steps that I do to clean the rest of the bathroom surfaces. So as you can see here, I'm just continuing to dry all of the walls down and get everything nice and clean. So I hope this video has been helpful to you today, just watching the process of cleaning the shower with the mop and the body towel, the counter cloths, and the bathroom cleaner. So it's a really easy process. I hope that you will like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, Peppermints and Cherries.